Winter's back.
In fall. Just had to reroute the exhaust. It was on a stack mounted to the bolts right there. Now it's ran underneath the truck. Right there, I cut it off. My brother and I custom fabricated the pipe going back, down, into the muffler. Just enough clearance from the frame rail and drive shaft. Tailpipe will come out into a 90 elbow and come out right in front of the drive axle there. Bottom bed frame rail's getting cut. Start of the whole bottom bed right here. Got the upright cut for the front hydraulics.